Hello friends, today in this video we will talk about the flight from New York to Myrtle Beach. In this video we will discuss about the flight distance, flight duration, approximate ticket price and how you can book a flight ticket online. So let's get started. So first of all we talk about the flight distance. The flight distance, the total distance of this route is about 800 kilometers, and if we convert its distance into miles, that is 497 miles. That is about 497 miles. Okay, and if we talk about the time, so if you book a non-stop flight for this route, it can take about 1 hour 58 minutes of your time. And now talk about the ticket price. So friends, ticket price are never the same. They vary from airline to airline and also change day by day. So that's why no one can tell you the exact ticket price in advance. You will know the exact ticket price when you book the ticket. Okay, and I can tell you the approximate idea. If you book a one-way economy class ticket for one person for about 30 to 40 days in advance, the price may range, you can see on your screen. Okay, so finally let's talk about how you can book a flight ticket. So for that you can watch this video. I have given the link in the description box also. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.